Hello, my name is Court and I am with Mouse in the Mitten Travel. Today we are going to cover how to make dining reservations for Disney, and we are going to go through how to make them both online as well as on your phone. We're going to start with online first. First things first, make sure you are signed into your Disney account. From there, go to My Disney Experience and select Dining Reservations. Once that option has pulled up, make sure you choose the amount of people in your party, as well as the date and the time that you're thinking about going. Now, it's important to know that you can only do this up to 60 days before your reservation. If you're staying on Disney property, you can choose for your entire trip. If you're staying off Disney property, you only get to choose 60 days before that day. From here, you could choose the time that you would like to go. You could choose breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or you could choose all day. For today, we're going to choose all day. From there, you are going to get the list of all the dining availability that is there in alphabetical order for that day. Now, this can be a little overwhelming. Maybe you want to filter to match the park that you're going to go to that day or your location, different types of dietary needs, budget, if you have a dining plan, all those different options. For this one, we're going to say that we're going to Magic Kingdom. So we're going to choose the Magic Kingdom area. From there, we can click off this menu and you can see all the restaurants that are in the Magic Kingdom area, along with their availability times and including special places like Hoop-de-Doo Review that have additional options. From here, you can again see all the different options and their times that are available. Let's look at Crystal Palace here. I want to go there for dinner. Well, I don't want dinner at 3:15, so I'm going to select Show More Times. From there, you're going to see a lot more times, a lot more around the time that I would like to go to dinner. So I choose 6:30 here. From there, you will get your menu to kind of show you what's on the menu. If there's any special add-ons there, if you have any sort of dietary requests, if you have a handicap or accessibility request, this is the point where you would make that. That way they can know what is coming ahead so they can make it a best experience for you. From there, you're going to hit next, and then from there, you would type in your phone number. Just double check that it is your credit card and make sure that everything is covered and set to go. Most places you do not have to pay ahead of time, but some places you do. From there, you are booked, you are all set, and this should be in your plan moving forward in the app on your plan. Next, we're going to show you how to make these reservations on your phone. What you're going to do is you're going to open the My Disney Experience app, click the plus at the bottom, and then choose Check Dining Availability. From there, it's going to sign you in, make sure that you're all set and good to go, and it's pretty much the same prompt that we saw online. You're going to choose your party, you're going to choose your date, remember only 60 days out, and then you can choose your time, you can choose breakfast, lunch, or dinner, but again, it's in the same alphabetical order. From here, though, the difference is at the top, the left-hand corner, you see filter. A little bit different of a setup, but you can still choose the different areas, choose any sort of dining restrictions, dining plan, price range that you want to stick to, whichever you prefer. Again, we're going to look at the options that are around us at Magic Kingdom. So I'm going to choose Magic Kingdom area. Hit apply, and then again, so we see a lot of the same options. Now, you can scroll over to the right on some of these and see what are the available times in different slots, like lunch, dinner, and so on and so forth. We chose Chef Mickey. Again, this is an opportunity for you to put in any sort of dietary restrictions or handicap accessibility, put in that information. Again, this is a chance as well for you to check that information, make sure everything's in line, and then once you hit that the credit card guarantee is all set and good to go, this reservation is made and it is in your plan for the future. Now, this is a little chart to help you out to kind of navigate those Disney dining plans. Character dining is a great way to be able to add some magic to your dining experience, and this chart is a great way to kind of navigate those waters. What you can see is majority of these are red, but there are a couple of blue ones. This is for the Disney dining plan. If you have the Disney dining plan, there are a couple that cost you 2 dining credits, and those are the blue options there. The rest are red, but this is a great way to be able to add some magic and be able to get some fun experiences while you're at Disney with some of your favorite characters. Hey, and this is all linked in my profile as well, along with a step-by-step guide. So if you have any questions on how to do this, or you are still wondering what's going on, feel free to reach out. You can email me at mouseinthemitten@gmail.com, or follow me on social media on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at mouseinthemitten. I appreciate you. Have a magical day.